So I'm now a full-time investor as well as a full-time stock and options trader. I'm the founder of Piranha Profits.
Hi everyone, my name is Bang Pham. I'm option trading strategist at Piranha Profit.
My name is Elson and I've been trading professionally for more than 14 years.
So I'm Chiking, the host for today.
Remember that ultimately what makes the stock market go higher? Number one, earnings. Number two, share buyback. Number three, dividends. And number four, money supply. This AI revolution is very much like what happened in the 1920s. I don't think this is a normal bull market. This is not a normal cyclical bull market. We are in what we call a secular long-term bull market.
What will really boost my portfolio, I believe, for next year is to position myself more on the higher end of the risk premium curve.
I will continue to focus on the companies that will do well regardless of the interest rate environment.
I think the window opportunity to establish good position with good risk reward, right, is
There are quite a number of consumer discretionary stocks that are now attractive. So like
it could actually multi-back by the first half of next year.
So if you're interested in making bigger profits alongside our mentors, you must grab the free tickets to our upcoming online live black market event and the link down in the description below.